Hi guys, hi kids. Um, my name is Jochen, also known as Joki in the community, or because it's easier to pronounce for English speaking or French speaking people. Yeah, well, today I have been diagnosed with tonsil cancer. So, or how the medical expression would be like tonsil carcinoma here in the left side of my neck. Yeah, you see a little bit of swelling here. And it comes in combination as well with enlarged lymph nodes. And yeah, I mean, originally I already had the idea of starting a YouTube channel. I mean, it was already going through my mind since a while. But clearly, I did not have this type of topic on my mind. It was more something about, technology, software development, clean code stuff, talking about the IT communities in Mauritius, like the Mauritius Software Craftsmanship Community, which is one of the largest. And yeah, today, 13th of February, just after Lunar New Year and right before Valentine's Day, yeah, my wife, yeah, which is actually funny, it's my wife that received the phone call, not me as the actual patient. Yeah, so she received a phone call from my consulting ENT doctor with the diagnosis. Just like that, over the phone. Um, yeah, like we suspected. I mean, no, we did not suspect this. We did not expect this. We were still on the way to analyze things. And because my picture or my symptoms didn't match up with anything. And given that we clearly asked the question if that could be something cancerous at a time before the histopathology report, it was a clear, I don't know, from the doctor. And now giving us such a cheap phone call, like, yeah, as suspected, yeah, it takes a moment to take it in. I mean, of course, my wife was in tears and crying, and she was really kindly kind of destroyed. So I have to say, well, yeah, I was kind of looking for the worst, and cancer was not excluded. However, I mean, I'm at the first half of my 40s, not a smoker. Well, occasionally a pipe or a nice cigar, but that's something like less than one hand per month, or you count it on one hand, so less than 5 times per month. I'm not a regular drinker. I'm in good health in general. Okay, maybe a little bit of overweight for my size, but I mean, taking uh, Christmas and New Year into consideration, I'm on the way to lose some weight, anyways. However, as I said, I mean, the blood values, I mean, we did a big blood picture. The values from the blood report were all in the green area, nothing exceptional. Neither on the white blood cells, red blood cells, no diabetes, nothing showed up. Um, my lungs are fine based on the fact that I had um, a test for scuba diving. So yeah, it just came unexpected, without any suspicion, as a total surprise between starting the new year of the ox and celebrating Valentine with my dear darling. Yeah. Well, the purpose of this channel is that I like to document my own state. I like to document this for my children. They are three. My oldest daughter is 12 years old. Then the next son is 10. But the smallest is about to turn 2 years old, and he doesn't understand clearly anything. And this is the main reason that I'm actually starting these kind of video recordings, because I like to give them a chance that at a later stage, when they understand it better and more clearly, about what has happened starting today. So, well, if you have any experience personally in the family, among friends, with dealing with a cancer situation, you might know what I'm talking about. Yeah, feel free to share your advice, share your experience. For me, it's something totally new. I mean, I have to say that this is my first ever major illness, apart from flu or cold. I never had a broken bone. I was never admitted to the clinic or hospital before that. Yeah, I mean, of course, a few stitches here and there, but nothing serious all these years. And yeah, I'm also figuring out how this is going to work out in Mauritius. Yeah, so I guess the next things that we're gonna see for is about what are the options, how can it be treated, and what are potential alternatives outside of Mauritius. So yeah, if you'd like to know more about my future progress, about the situation regarding tonsil carcinoma, and also the effect then with this swollen, enlarged lymph nodes, because the report from the pathology actually says that there's an assumption of, what is it called? Necrotic lymphadenophyte, something like that. Actually, I have to look it up, probably on Wikipedia or somewhere. And yeah, I don't know what to say more right now. I try to see that I tune in regularly, once a week or something, to document progress, document what we have tried, document any new findings, mainly for me, for myself, and for the family, and especially for the children. And yeah, it would be great to have your feedback and your comments. Yeah, take care, stay safe, and hopefully soon with some better news. Bye.